Alright, so this is your dad bud Joey and we're here live for a dad talk. This is the first time we're doing a dad talk live no na in person. I've done it many times online. Pero ngayon maganda, I want to take this opportunity to really talk to my fellow dad buds. So I'm here with Dad Bud Bob and Dad Bud Rans. Dad Bud Rans has been with the community since the start, no? So for the longest time, kaya nga sobra ako natutuwa na we're here in City Front Mall in Pampanga in Clark. And nandito kami sa North today. So I just wanted to have this topic about the importance of relationship sa pagiging tatay. Kasi alam nyo, nung sinimulan ko yung dad bud, akala ko talaga tungkol lang yung pagiging tatay, no? Tungkol lang siya sa pagiging mabuting ama. Parang compartmentalize siya dun sa relationship mo sa anak mo. Pero as my child grew older, and of course with the community, na-realize ko na sobrang importante pala nung relationship natin sa mga misis natin. And sabi ko nga, being a good parent is all about teamwork. That's why I'm here just to ask, our fellow dad buds, kung ano bang tingin nila, how do we keep that fire going, sa misis natin? The positive fire, Syempre may negative fire. Ayaw natin yun. Pero yung So ikaw, Dad Bud Rans, anong masasabi mo about the importance of the relationship that we have with our wives?
Actually, malaking factor to kasi syempre, ang goal mo kasi is mapakita yung good example para sa mga anak mo. So, yung communication mo, proper communication mo doon sa asawa mo, yung pagsuyo mo, yung pagtrato mo doon sa misis mo, makikita ng anak mo yan Parang magiging, para magiging, pagkalaki ko, ganito din yung gusto kong relationship, ganito rin yung gusto kong relasyon sa magiging asawa ko, or ito yung magiging standard ko para maging asawa as dad, siyempre. Malaking factor yon kasi inaano mo sa anak mo na mas mataas yung standard and mas mabuti yung hahanapin niya as husband. Yun nga. Kumbaga, kung titignan mo, parang minomold mo yung anak mo na maging mas mabuting asawa din sa kanyang magiging future husband.
I guess pag like ako, anak ko lalaki, Syempre gusto ko maging good example to my son na syempre the way I treat the mom, yung asawa ko saka yung mommy niya. Syempre kailangan mabuti ako sa asawa ko. Kasi yun yung susundan niya Kung girl dad ka naman, gusto mo mag-set ng standard, 'di ba? Na syempre kung gusto mo makita ng daughter mo na dapat ganitong klaseng lalaki yung hahanapin mo sa future husband niya. Ikaw, Dad
Ako, napaka-importante ng sinabi ni Bob Jones na you're setting the example for the kids. Ako kasi, I have 5 kids.
5 kids?
Yes.
Mukhang masipag to. Parang ito perfect sa'yo itong backfit kasi.
Tapos puro babae. So, alam mo yung challenge na you have to show them how a mom should be treated.
No.
Like with us, although medyo matagal na yung relationship, we make it a point that every month nandiyan yung nursery, I give her flowers, and not just on special occasions. And so the kids are seeing that.
Yeah.
So they see the love.
Yeah.
Tapos parang as they grow older, ganyan, yun, nagiging basis na if I'll probably have a boyfriend or someone, siguro ang magiging is yung tatay ko.
Yeah.
Kasi yun nga, sabi mo nga, it's not all about taking care of the kids It's also taking care of the wife. Yun yung pinaka-importante how to take care of the wife Yun yung sa akin.
Saka a peaceful household is a perfect environment to raise children, Nakikita naman natin sa community, maraming mga nag-aaway, di ba? Yes. Hindi maiiwasan yun For me, I think yung nag-aaway na mag-asawa is normal, Mas nakakatakot nga yung hindi kayo nag-aaway, tapos biglang eventually dun may mangyayaring masama So I guess it's very important for us to remember that to be a good father means being a good partner to our husband, to our wives, and also to the mother of our children. So there, I think that's a very good message that we can have as a community to our fellow dads na alagaan nyo yung relationship nyo with your wives, Syempre, doon nagsisimula yun, and that will trickle down to your relationship with your children. So again, this is your Dad Bud Joey, and I'm here with Dad Bud Rans and Dad Bud Bob here in Clark City Front Mall for a live dad talk. Thank you.